Hi. Welcome to the top supply chain news of past week. Largest silane factory in Washington. Group14 Technologies has opened a new silane factory in Washington, backed by a $200 million DOE award. The factory aims to reduce U.S. reliance on foreign silane and support domestic battery production. It will create over 300 construction jobs and 150 permanent jobs. This expansion highlights Group14's commitment to increasing production and meeting the growing demand for advanced battery materials. East Coast port strike threatens U.S. supply chains. The threat of a strike at East and Gulf Coast ports looms large as contract negotiations between the ILA and USMX approach their deadline on September 30th. A strike could have severe consequences for U.S. supply chains, leading to significant delays and disruptions across various industries. Shippers are already taking precautionary measures, such as rerouting cargo through alternative ports, to mitigate the potential impact. Typhoon Bebinca shuts down Shanghai port, disrupts supply chains. Typhoon Bebinca, the strongest storm to approach Shanghai in decades, forced the closure of the world's busiest port, disrupting global supply chains. The Category 1 storm, packing winds of up to 89 miles per hour, led to the suspension of flights, trains, and major tourist attractions. Shanghai Port, handling over 43 million TEUs annually, plays a critical role in international trade. The closure of port operations due to Bebinca could cause significant delays and disruptions in shipments, affecting industries from electronics to textiles. Baltimore bridge tragedy leads to $100 million lawsuit. The U.S. Department of Justice has filed a $100 million lawsuit against the owners and operators of the cargo ship Dali, which caused the collapse of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore in March. The lawsuit alleges negligence and cost-cutting measures by the companies led to the catastrophic event, resulting in the deaths of 6 workers and significant disruptions to the Port of Baltimore. The federal government is seeking to recover the costs of cleanup and hold the companies accountable for the destruction. Intel pushes back construction of 2 major semiconductor facilities. Intel has announced a delay in the construction of 2 major semiconductor facilities in Germany and Poland, pushing back plans by around 2 years due to financial challenges. This decision is part of a larger cost-cutting strategy aimed at saving $10 billion. The postponement of these projects will impact the planned megafabs in Magdeburg, Germany, and a new chip facility in Wrocław, Poland. The German and Polish governments, which had heavily subsidized these developments, are facing setbacks as a result. That's a wrap on the top supply chain and logistics news from around the world. Stay tuned for more updates.